Hi guys, welcome back to the Amazing RD Kids. Today we'll be talking about reference and coterminal angles. First, let's start with reference angles. So let me take any angle. So let's say we're going to take 120 degrees. So when we're solving for a triangle in the circle so that we can find either the y-coordinate or the x-coordinate, we are going to try making a triangle. So let's start like this. Right now, the triangle is in quadrant number 2. So we're not going to use the angle 120 degrees. Instead, we want to find this angle. And if you can recall, half a circle is 180 degrees. So this is just 60 degrees. This is what the reference angle really is. You are trying to find what angle from the x-axis to the point that you have. So let's try a few examples. What is the reference angle of 300 degrees? So in a circle, 300 degrees would be roughly around over here. So because 300 degrees is over here, we are trying to find the reference angle in the fourth quadrant, which is this angle. So to find this, we know that this is 360 degrees and this is 300 degrees. So how much degrees are in between? 360 degrees minus 300 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So the reference angle is 60 degrees. Try these with other points and get more practice. Then you'll become better with reference angles. Now, we're going to move on to coterminal angles. So, once you have an angle at one point, let's say I'm going to take 30 degrees for this example. And now, we want to find another angle that's in the same point. Let's start going around the circle until we come back to the same point. We'll go like this way, and we'll get back here. So we took one full rotation. How many degrees are in one circle? This is 360 degrees. So the next coterminal angle is one full rotation. So that is 360 more degrees. So now we're at 390 degrees. This is the positive coterminal angle. But what if we rotate in the other direction? So rotating in the other direction, like this, to get back to the same point, now we're doing 30 degrees minus 360 degrees to get negative 330 degrees. This is also a coterminal angle. Let's get some practice in. So let's say I give you the angle 240 degrees. And I tell you, find me a positive and negative coterminal angle. So since one full rotation is 360 degrees, we are going to add and subtract 360 degrees. So let's take this 240 plus 360 degrees is equivalent to 600 degrees. This is the positive coterminal angle. The next one is 240 minus 360 degrees. In this case, it is negative 120 degrees. This is a negative coterminal angle. But what if you get a more difficult coterminal angle? Like what is 1080 degrees? And we want to simplify it to be an angle in the range of 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Now we will have to repeatedly subtract 360 degrees. Once we multiply negative 360 by 3 times, so we're going to get 0 as the result, 0 degrees left. So as you can see, since one rotation is 360 degrees, we can just say that k is any integer. And if you recall, integers are any negative and positive whole number. So something like this. So when you multiply 360 degrees by any integer, positive or negative, you're going to go either a full rotation or multiple rotations around the circle. So in this case, you can get whatever your angle is, and we'll call it theta for now. And then you can add 360k, 360 degrees times k, to make rotations. This will give you another coterminal angle. For example, if you're asked for all real solutions, then you have to find all the solutions, not just the ones that you found in the circle. So let's say you found, the solution of a problem is 30 degrees. Then all of the real solutions are 30 degrees plus 360k, because it can rotate in the same point multiple times. Thanks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Next time, see you with another video.